2006, Audi introduced its first mid-engine 4.2-liter V8 supercar. Fast forward 16 years later, and here we have today a restored R8, codename designation Type 42. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog.
Manufactured in 2008, this unit originally came in black paintwork with an aftermarket kit. And after 15 thrilling years of ownership, a complete refresh and a program designed to return the car to its original factory finish via our vehicle reconditioning program was selected. The surface preparation process began with the dismantling of the primary sections of the vehicle, including all the rubber moldings, door panels, windows, and windshield. All the previous aftermarket kit were removed, and the original bodywork panels from Audi were ordered to replace them. This is an important step in achieving an accurate factory finish. Once the surface preparation was completed, the primer was applied across the entire bodywork and inspected for a uniform finish. Then the unique Audi-specific Suzuka grey base coat and a high solids clear coat combination was applied and inspected to achieve factory tolerances. The brake calipers were then removed and were repainted to a custom paint finish to offer a subtle contrast against the new paintwork. As the paint specialists continued their work on crafting the ultimate paintwork finish through a multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement program, a second team of detailers began on the coachwork targeting the undercarriage, wheel wells, brake calipers, exhaust, and engine bay using a combination of pressurized steam cleaning and dry ice blasting technology. Using -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. For the interior cabin, we worked on refreshing the upholstery with a combination of steam cleaning and machine-based extraction. Our 5-stage leather feed system was then applied in sequence, resulting in a revived leather upholstery that is moisturized, has a richer luster, and is protected from premature degradation in our tropical climate. Once the Suzuka grey paintwork has been refined to a brilliant finish, a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps in sequential layers, building additional layers of gloss and clarity. A set of custom-forged Rotiform OZR monoblocks were ordered from the USA with a gloss candy black finish. These wheels provide a more aggressive stance and designed to the R8. The fitment was a perfect flush with the fenders. The next step was a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film to preserve the unique paintwork from swirls, scratches, and the elements on the road. The PPF features a patent-pending plasma memory system that reacts with oxygen to heal instantly when lightly scratched. Designed for gloss finish paintwork, the PPF also more than doubles the shine of any gloss finished car after installation. Our custom fitment also allows for the PPF to achieve an edgeless finish that is virtually seamless for maximum protection without any reduction in visual appeal. For ultimate enjoyment, our flagship high-performance tin Spectra PhotoSync IRD was fitted to protect the cabin and its passengers from the immense tropical heat. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation, Spectra PhotoSync IRD provides an unmatched performance and allows the passengers to experience pure comfort in the cabin and respite from the unrelenting tropical heat.
If you've got a car that could use a refresh or a complete makeover, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.